Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you something very easy and quick. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful flower. I made this flower to decorate a beautiful sweater that I will show you later if you let me how to make it. But you will have the opportunity to use it for different things. As you could see, I have 3 levels and you can make each level in a different color. You can make to use it for a blanket or for a blouse. You can make bigger flowers to make a crop top or something else, okay? It will be very useful and very easy, you will see. Also, the other day I saw a TV host wearing this flower as a necklace, so I love the result. I love how she looks. So remember that this is just an idea and you will make it like you want, okay? So I hope that you all enjoy making these flowers. In this case, for the sweater that I want to decorate, I made 4 flowers like this one. So I will show you the result too. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Well, in this case, for this flower, we are going to use a material that will be between light or medium weight yarn, between number 3 or number 4, and I will use the crochet hook of number 3.5 millimeters. So in one thread and with our hook, we will start, okay? Also, if you want, you can combine different colors. In this case, I will make them in this light gray because I want to decorate a goat that I made in a darker color. So I want to give a different tone. Okay, so we will start right here in the center making some chains. So we will start making 5 chains first, 4 and 5. Then we are going to close in circle and we are going to slip one to close. Then inside we will go up first with 1 chain, and then inside we are going to make 2 single crochet inside. So here we have 1 and 2. Then from here we will go up with 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, and then we will go to the other side. As you could see, I didn't insert the hook inside of the chains. I just took this strip of chains as my reference and I made this single crochet but leaving the last loops in hold. So like this we are going to make 10. So right here, let me show you. So we will put the hook in front, then right there we are going to make this single crochet leaving the last loop in hold. So here we have 10. Now we are going to yarn over and then we are going to bring all of the loops together that we leave in hold. Then we are going to come back to the second single crochet. Here, taking both parts of the chain, we are going to make a single crochet. You see, so here we have the first petal. Then again inside we are going to make 2 single crochet. Then right here we will go up with 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we are going to repeat. We are, as you could see, we kind of twist a little bit this strip of chains that we made, and we are going to place the hook in front without inserting the hook in any stitch. So just like this, we are going to make 10 single crochet but leaving the last loop in hold. So I will make it again with you so you can see exactly how it is. So remember to count 10 and please not tie too much in this part. If you feel that you do it, well, you can use a different hook. Then bring all of them together. We are going to come back to the second single crochet and slip one to close. So here we have the second petal. Then again inside of the ring 2 single crochet, and like this until we have 5. Well, okay, here we have 5 petals. Then we are going to slip one to close right here. Now we are going to make the second level. So here behind we are going to start making first 5 chains, and then we are going to insert the hook right behind of the first petal. From behind, you see, we are going to make a single crochet, then again 6 chains, and right behind of the next flower right here we are going to make a single crochet. So like this we are going to continue making 6 chains behind each petal, so at the end we must have 5. Well, so here we are. I'm making the last strip of chains with 6 chains, and this will be the base of the next level. Okay, so here we are going to slip one to close the row. Please check at the end that you have 5, one behind each petal. Well, then here inside we are going to start making half double crochet, so we are going to make 1, and then from here in the coming stitches we are going to make double crochet, so we are going to make 6. Here we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then the last half double crochet, so as you could see at the beginning and at the end we are going to make 1. Then here to close the first petal we are going to slip 1 until the end, so we are going to repeat again. To begin we are going to make 1 half double crochet, then inside 6 double crochet, and like this is how we are going to continue all around until we have 5 like this one. So as you could see at the beginning and at the end of each petal we are going to make 1 half double crochet, and between we are going to make 6 chains. Remember here it's very important that we close each petal by slipping 1 before we start with the next one. So like this we are going to make 5. Well, then at the end we are going to slip 1 to close. Okay, so now this is the second level, right? So now we are about to make the base for the third level. So right behind we are going to make 6 chains, and we are going to insert the hook and make a single crochet. So as you could see also we are going to make 6 chains behind each petal, and we are going to insert the hook between these 2 petals right here in the middle and make a single crochet. So this will be the base for the third level. So like this until we have 5 arches like this. Okay, well, so here we are going to finish the row and slip 1. Then as you could see this is the base of the third level, so we are about to make this petal. You see how pretty it looks, like a crown, right? So first we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chains. Okay, so and then turn over twice and we will go to the middle of this wave, and right there we are going to make a triple double crochet. Then we are going to make 4 chains, and then again we are going to make a triple double crochet, so we will have here a kind of V. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 chains, and we are going to insert the hook right at the end of the first arch. So here we will have this first petal. Then again we are going to make 8 chains. We will turn over twice and we will go right to the middle of the next arch, and right there we are going to make a triple double crochet, then 4 chains, and then again in the middle we are going to make a triple double crochet to make a V, then 8 chains, and right here in the joint a single crochet. So like this is how we are going to continue the whole row, and at the end we must have 5. Well, so at the end we will have 5 petals. Well, then here inside we are going to make 9 single crochet. So here we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then again here inside this space we are going to make 4 single crochet. Then we will go up with 1, 2, 3 chains to make a picot. So we are going to come back and make a slip one. So here we have the picot. Then in the same place we are going to make 4 single crochet, and then we will finish with 9 single crochet in the other side. So here we are making a review. So we are making the last 9 single crochet, and I want to finish this first petal with you so you can see exactly how it is. And remember, like we are making this one, we are going to make the rest. So at the end we are going to here just slip one to close, and we will have something like this. So this is 1, so at the end we must have a 5. So right away remember 9 single crochet, then 4, then 3 chains, the picot, 4 single crochet, and we will finish with 9 single crochet. Okay, so let's continue until we have 5. So here we have the 5 petals. Okay, so at the end we are going to cut a long thread because we will use it to sew it to our project that we want. In this case, as I told you, I will decorate a sweater that I made. I will show you the result too, and please let me know in the comments if you want that I show you how I made the coat. So far this is the end of the video. At the end I always suggest that you iron it. You can put some pins to extend your flower, because remember that the first time that we iron is the most important. So you can put some pins here in the base to extend them perfectly, and if you want here to have these like petals in relief, we will just iron the first part. Okay, but it's up to you. Also you can iron a bit the second level, but like you want. Okay, so this is the end of the result. You will decide what you want to decorate. There are a lot of things that you can decorate with this flower. Please, if you have an idea, let me know here in the comments which it will be. So thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and please stay tuned for coming videos. Thank you so much. Take care and see you soon. Bye bye.